age differences can influence estate planning decisions aimed at minimizing taxes and optimizing wealth management. A common strategy involves minimizing estate taxes by excluding older half-siblings and the stepmother from direct inheritance. For example, a father may choose to set up a trust that prioritizes the youngest child, who has a 44-year age difference, to lower the immediate tax burden and preserve wealth for the youngest child over time. This approach reduces the estate's taxable value, allowing the younger beneficiary with a longer life expectancy to stretch distributions and spread out tax liabilities, thus reducing the overall tax burden on the estate. Furthermore, to navigate the generation skipping transfer tax, GSTT, which applies to direct transfers to grandchildren or younger generations, the father might bypass older siblings and the stepmother in favor of the youngest child. This helps the estate avoid hefty tax implications associated with skipping a generation while keeping the wealth within the family. By focusing the wealth transfer on the youngest beneficiary, the father leverages the age gap to minimize additional tax penalties. Additionally, long-term wealth accumulation becomes feasible through the youngest beneficiary due to their extended life expectancy. With a 44-year age difference, the father could have invested in long-term assets that mature over the youngest beneficiary's lifetime, ensuring that the wealth grows within a tax-advantaged structure like a trust or retirement account. The younger sibling's extended investment horizon enables compound interest and asset growth, benefits not as easily available to older generations who may require access to the funds sooner. Cost-effective wealth management can also be achieved by reducing the number of beneficiaries. Including multiple older half-siblings and the stepmother would necessitate dividing the estate into smaller portions, each potentially subject to separate tax treatments. In today's discussion on strategic wealth transfers in blended families with significant age gaps, particularly